Hello, once again, it's me, and yes, I know you can't see me. That's actually being done intentionally because unfortunately, once I start recording, I can't switch the view orientations, which is why the orientations on some of my videos look so screwed up. Because one of the things I've discovered is I have a very hard time walking and holding the phone in this direction at the same time. But once again, I just wanted to give this park another chance because it really didn't get enough of one in the last video. Once again, as I was saying before, when I'm depressed, which happens pretty frequently, I find coming here to be extremely relaxing, especially when there are actually leaves on the trees, as this is New England, that's not all year. And as my mother said, for some reason, winter just feels like it's longer than summer, spring, and fall put together. I don't know why that is, probably just because it's a miserable time of year for anyone probably who has fibromyalgia. I know most people who have multiple sclerosis can't stand the heat, and I used to feel that way, but ever since the fibromyalgia symptoms kicked in, I find that the heat is the only thing I can tolerate because the cold really hurts. But once again, I just wanted to show this lovely park in my neighborhood because it did not get enough of a show in my last video. So anyway, that is the full shot. Hope to see you guys again, and thank you very much for taking the time to come check this park out with me. Take care. See you again. And please leave feedback if you wish. Cheers and peace and light.